Take a ride in the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with a clean and modern interior and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.